All right, well that was a terrible pour, but welcome back to Hoochos. This is a new format that I'm trying out just to see if any of you like it. I've had a heap of people asking about, updates, and this is going to be the quickest way for me to get you updates. So rather than a completely planned video, I'm just going to walk you around and show you the updates, edit it out so it's as quick as possible, and so that you can get on with your YouTubing. All right, let's have a look. So this here is the latest system design that'll be in an upcoming video, and I'm growing potatoes. I'm really excited to show you this one, guys. It's gonna be a banger. The Dutch bucket systems have been going gangbusters. Now have a look at this. Those are beefsteak, I think they're beefsteak tomatoes. Anyway, I really need to get on top of how to maintain the amount of tomatoes per whatever you call these things, because as you can see here, those tomatoes are struggling to hold up the weight of, what do they call a thing of tomatoes? Let me know in the comments anyway. But yeah, they're going crazy, and I'm really happy with how that system's going. Over here, we've got the hooch buckets. This is the hooch bucket hydroponic system, and I've got some strawberries over in the corner, and I'm playing with some different colors too. I think that these colors though, they're probably gonna let the light in a little bit much. So yeah, I still recommend heading for these darker colors, but yeah, I'm really happy with how this system's going. The plants are really healthy, they're loving it. That reservoir is topping up this system, and it's also topping up out there, you can see the potato system. And yeah, so that's the one I've just built. Same nutrients. This is a flowering nutrient. I'm not sure whether that's going to go well with a root crop, but we'll see. I'll let you know anyway in a video probably similar to this. So yeah, these are just strawberry rootstocks, and as you can see, there's a little fella coming out here. But we'll see how they go. I might have left them a bit long. I got them delivered to me. All right, if we turn around, have a look at the NFT hydroponic system. This is going so well. I am so happy with how this system has turned out. I mean, just have a look at those lettuce. They are some bloody happy lettuce. And then from below, there we go. Just phenomenal. Really like this red lettuce. It looks fantastic in salads, but I tend to find that the amount of seeds you get in a packet is overwhelmingly green. And then you have some of this, like, I guess jewel. It's like a half-half variety. Over here, we've got basil, a ton of basil, some radicchio. This is rosemary, but it's just not doing so well. I forget what that plant is. It's going really slowly. It was planted at the same time as some of this lettuce. We've got some thyme down the front here, and come across to more basil, some more red and green salad lettuce, and we've got some cos, which is harding up really nicely. All right, let's have a look at the rain gutter grow system. I do apologize for the sweatiness, guys. I've just been doing a whole day's work. That's kind of what this video is about, so I can fit some update videos within a whole day's work. Alrighty, so just to get the guys that love fish excited, look what I scoried. That is a lot of biofiltration right there. There is a whole pallet of scoria that I scored for, I'm not even going to tell you the price I've got it for per bag because I don't want to brag, but it was cheap and I'm happy about it. All right, let's have a look at this rain gutter grow system. Now, the rain gutter grow system is definitely one of my favorite systems and the least, I guess, maintenance of most of the systems. Jump over here. Look at that system. Oh, it excites me every time. This is one of the ones I was getting the most questions about. I've got like multiple different types of plants in there at the moment. You can see some pumpkins, turmeric growing up the back there. We've got some tomatoes. They're the same tomatoes as in the Dutch bucket system. They're just going all over the place. You can see down here, we've got a heap of fruit and big fruit too over here. Like, look at the size of some of those tomatoes. I'm just letting them go wild because, you know, why not? Macadamias, they're not doing so well, but they're not in the same system. So these macadamias are the blue mat system. It's just not keeping up the amount of water that they need and nutrients, although the kale that just popped up out of nowhere is doing really well. It was doing better before I let the nutrients and water run out in the res up there. Have a look at these. These are what I've been getting a ton of questions about, and they're the citrus. And yes, they are fruiting, they are loving the system. I probably need to deal with the amount that they're fruiting. I'm not sure it can handle that many fruits on the one tree. But anyway, the answer is yes, they are loving it, and I'm loving it. So let's have a look at the Kratky. So these are the Kratky. They're doing really well. Like, I haven't touched these. I went away on holidays and came back, and they're still, you know, exploding. They're gonna seed, obviously. This one's harding up, so that one would actually be quite tasty right now. But yeah, highly recommend. Just a simple system that you do not have to maintain. I mean, you just have to get the nutrients right in the first place. So I've got jalapenos over here in the rain gutter grow system. They're fruiting nicely. I've already had one batch of jalapenos come off this plant, and I can't wait to get another. I've got pumpkins that just showed up again in the system, and I've let them go. They're fruiting right now. Whether they cause problems again like they have before, I'm sure they will. Throughout this system, I've just let things go to seed and they just pop up again, which is fantastic. It's kind of just a self-maintaining system in the sense that I don't really even have to plant anything because of the amount of seeds I've got in those cocoa perlite garden beds. Let's pull up some of this turmeric. I've got these pots weighted down because otherwise the trees fall over in the system. How do I get this turmeric out? As you can see, the weeds do find their way in as well. You pick them out. I'm not too worried about the weeds. I don't even know if it's time to pull this out yet. I might have to cut this back actually. Might have to cut this back, and then, yeah, I have to look up how do I deal with turmeric actually. Leave a comment below. What am I meant to do? There's more over here. Yeah, I don't know. I literally just throw these things in and see if they grow, and 9 times out of 10, they grow. More exciting news. So this shed pad that I just got cut, well, a while ago got cut. I'm in the process of getting a shed as a studio so that I can produce more content for you guys. So if you haven't already, hit me up on Patreon, or, you know, just give me a like. I love a like. Cheers, guys. Happy hydroponicking, and I'll see you next time. Let me know if you like this style of video, and if not, I can just go back to the curated videos. Doesn't bother me. After all, it's all about what you want to watch. Cheers.